Welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda here. Today we're going to make an organizer with a takeaway container using eggshells on it. I had this takeaway container and I didn't like this top part, so I cut it. It didn't come out so fine, so I used a masking tape to cover the sharp edges. I've collected a few eggshells. Now these are washed and absolutely dry. Once you break an egg, then you need to wash it. So you just put water and clean it. And you've got to remove this film which is there. Just pull it out. Now wash. And keep it upside down to dry. Don't keep it in sun, just keep it anywhere, otherwise it will get a lot of dust. I'll take a plastic bag and I'll put these dry eggshells inside. And I'll take a rolling pin and I'll cut. Now it's dry, but there are some places which are left. So I'll add little water to the glue and I'll do the same procedure again. Now this is absolutely dry. The inside is not looking very neat, so I plan to coat one layer of chalk paint. To see how to make chalk paint, you can see the I button up. Once this is absolutely dry, then we need to seal the paint. So you can use any of these varnish, but I would prefer this spray varnish for the uneven surface. I would like to keep this by my bedside, or I can use it as my nail polish organizer. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.